What if one simple change in your diet could help protect you from cancer? Sugar is hiding in almost everything we eat, and many people have no idea how dangerous it can be. But when you quit sugar, your body starts to change in powerful ways. In today's video, we'll talk about what really happens when you quit sugar, especially its impact on cancer growth, your immune system, and energy levels. Stick around because what happens after just 30 days might shock you. 1. Sugar feeds cancer cells. Sugar isn't just an energy source for you, it's also fuel for cancer cells. When sugar enters your bloodstream, cancer cells absorb it quickly and use it to grow and divide faster. They actually have more sugar receptors than normal cells, making them especially hungry for it. The more sugar you eat, the more fuel you give to these dangerous cells. But when you quit sugar, you're basically cutting off their supply. It becomes harder for cancer to grow, spread and survive in a low sugar environment. This is why many doctors and researchers now believe reducing sugar is a key part of cancer prevention. 2. Insulin levels drop. Every time you eat sugar, your body pumps out insulin, a hormone that helps control blood sugar. But too much insulin over time can create a state of chronic inflammation, which helps cancer thrive. High insulin also makes it easier for tumors to get the nutrients they need to grow. When you cut sugar, your insulin levels stabilize. That stability means your body can maintain a healthy internal balance. And without constant insulin spikes, your body is better protected from the harmful changes that lead to cancer. You also avoid insulin resistance, which is linked to many cancers, including colon and breast cancer. 3. Your body becomes smarter at using energy. When you stop flooding your body with sugar, your cells begin to use stored fat and slow-burning energy sources more efficiently. This leads to more steady, long-lasting energy throughout the day. No more sugar crashes or feeling tired an hour after eating. Your brain stays sharper and your mood stays more stable. Even better, your immune system, your body's built-in defense system, gets a boost. With less sugar, it can better track down and destroy abnormal or precancerous cells before they cause trouble. You may even notice better focus, fewer headaches, and improved digestion when your body isn't fighting sugar overload. If you're serious about protecting your health, don't miss our video 5 best vegetables that help fight cancer. These foods don't just nourish you, they help stop cancer cells in their tracks. So once you cut out sugar, you'll know exactly what to eat instead to keep your body strong and protected. Watch till the end for more helpful tips. 4. Your immune system gets stronger. Your immune system is like an army protecting your body, but sugar can weaken that army by slowing down your white blood cells, your first line of defense. When there's too much sugar in your blood, your immune cells become sluggish and less effective. They miss harmful invaders like viruses and abnormal cells. By cutting sugar, you give your immune system the power to bounce back. It can now find and fight damaged or precancerous cells before they turn into something worse. In fact, your body becomes better at healing itself and keeping inflammation low when it doesn't have to fight sugar daily. 5. Inflammation goes down. Chronic inflammation is like a slow-burning fire inside your body. Over time, it damages tissues, weakens organs, and creates the perfect setting for cancer to grow. Sugar keeps that fire going by constantly irritating your cells and causing immune overreactions. When you quit sugar, you take away the fuel that feeds inflammation. That means your body gets a chance to cool down and repair itself. You'll likely notice fewer body aches, less bloating, and even clearer skin. Most importantly, A low inflammation body is a healthier, more cancer resistant one. 6. You start feeling better. Overall, one of the best parts of quitting sugar is how quickly you start feeling better. Many people report more energy, fewer mood swings, and better sleep within the first 2 weeks. Your cravings go down, your appetite stabilizes, and you start to feel more in control of your health. Your skin may clear up and your digestion improves too. All of these small changes add up over time. You're not just avoiding illness, you're actively building a healthier, more resilient body every single day. When you feel better, you're more likely to stay motivated and continue making healthy choices that protect you long term. So what really happens when you quit sugar? Your cancer risk goes down, your immune system gets stronger, and your whole body starts to heal. It's not always easy, but the benefits are too big to ignore. You don't have to be perfect. Just start with small steps. Like this video if you learned something new. Subscribe to Cure with food for daily videos on natural healing and cancer prevention. And don't forget to check out our last video, 5 best vegetables that help fight cancer. Linked in the description below. Comment below. What's your biggest challenge with quitting sugar? Let's talk about it.